In this video, I will show you the simplest way to create classic, super easy fluffy pancakes from scratch, just like your grandma used to make, using only a handful of basic ingredients for that old school charm. To make this classic pancake recipe, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and give the ingredients a good mix. Now, add 1 cup of whole milk, 1 medium-sized beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and mix just enough to incorporate the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Let the pancake batter rest for 10 minutes while you heat up your frying pan or griddle over medium-high heat. Then, scoop a 1/4 cup of batter into the hot, slightly buttered pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles break the surface of the pancakes. Then flip it over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes till golden brown. Then repeat the process. If you liked this easy, fluffy pancake recipe, then check out also how to make this delicious and super easy 3-ingredient banana bread here. And no, I am not using a cake mix to make it. Check it out now.